Hello, my name is Hassanal Munir bin Ismail. My role in my company is a operation manager. So I will look over all the service and project matters in my company. First of all, I've been involved and exposed to this CTI SCADA, or now we call it AVEVA SCADA, for such a long time. But never have some sort of training like this to learn further. So that's why I joined this training. Oh, that's good, better. And the lecturer is very communicative and then easy to understand. And then what I like the most is the focus on the hands-on training. Of course, in fact, I would recommend also for students at the university for the training because it's good for their futures.